Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to turn on or enable reputations based protections in Windows 10 computer. So reputations based protections is a feature within Windows security formerly known as Windows Defender on Windows 10 computer that helps protect your PC from potentially unwanted applications. It works with, it checks against an online list, it targets undesirable software, it offers different levels of protections, and it's an extra layer of security. And then I'll show you a quick method on how to enable or turn on. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to open the Windows settings. And then once you open up here at Windows settings, and then you need now to select update and security, and then you need to click. And then once you open up here at Windows and security, at left side navigation panel, and then you need now to select this Windows security and then click. And then here now at Windows security, and on right side underneath here at protections areas, and then you need now to select this app and browser control, and then you need to click again. And then once you open up here at apps and browser control here at Windows security, and then here now at device security, then you can see now this reputations based protections. So you can see this exclamation mark that it means we need now to turn on or enables the settings. So these settings protect your device from malicious or potentially unwanted apps, files, and website. So the settings to block potentially unwanted apps is to turn off your device may be vulnerable. So you can see this button here, and then you need to tap or click. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And that's it, guys. So you can see now it's already turned on or enabled this reputations based protections settings. Alright, then we need to close, and also we need to restart this PC by clicking this power button here and click restart. Alright, so that's it, guys, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you, guys, and see you in my next tutorials.